Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Let's have a look at this question. Complete the measurement conversion. 1 hectare is equal to how many square meters? Let's have a look at this. Remember, this is a square that measures 100 meters by 100 meters. So 1 hectare measures 100 meters by 100 meters. So it's basically a square where all the sides are equal to 100 meters. So this is 100 meters, this is 100 meters, this is 100 meters, and this is 100 meters. Okay, and now we have to convert this to the amount of square meters. All right, so we have to work out the area basically. So what is 100 times 100? That is equal to 10,000. So that means 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meters.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.